I am Carter O'Donnell, and I'm going to play on the PlayStation today, Minecraft. So I'm going to open my education apps, Minecraft. Now I am going to Mahjong. So I am going to show you. That was the long note. Sometimes I have it, but not always.
Mom?
Yeah?
Somebody ate these. Carter, did you eat any of these?
Sorry, hush.
And I'm going to create my new world. I'm going to change my name to
Back up on me again.
Hit.
Feel better now?
Alright, now I'm going to change to creative. More options. And this is how I usually create my world. I go down to super flat. I'm going to customize it. Now, you see how it says layer options? I go down to delete layer. Then I click on that bedrock so I can add another layer. Alright, I'm not going to add lava because I might set on fire. So,
Alright, what I need you to do now?
right, I'm going to place.
You're fine.
Oh gosh, Carter. Block of gold.
Sit here, okay? Not on the floor.
Now. And then I'm going to create another world. Okay. Now you see I'm going to look around, go to my creative, get my spruce plank. Now I am going to hit L2 to place them. Now I am going to go to transmission so I can put a redstone repeater right there. Now I am going to shovel some acacia wood. Okay. Now I am going to place a few bricks. Alright. Uh-oh. I'll have to replace that. after I build. Alright, so now you see I am almost done with my build. I just gotta place a few slabs. Where are the slabs? So, I have the slabs right down here. Then I am done. And then that little tiny broken spot. Alright. Block of gold. Place. And alright. Dun 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 dun. This is my build. If you walk through here, you can see the slabs. Now, thank you. Now I'm going to exit my build. Thank you for watching me build my thing. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye-bye.